Hi, I'm Danielle Liu, the owner of the Craftastic Cottage here in Spring Hill, Florida. So my family and I decided to purchase the Craftastic Cottage in July of last year. The previous owner was looking to make some changes and had approached my husband and I to see if we'd be interested in continuing the Craftastic Cottage here in Spring Hill. And we just felt that it was a service that is greatly needed for all different ages here in Hernando County. To entertain people of all ages, children with different painting and ceramic projects. At the Craftastic Cottage, we offer classes for both adults and children. During the summertime, we do offer summer camps. When school is out of session for longer breaks, we will be offering different camps and classes for children. We do offer paint and sip classes in the evenings for adults. We also have walk-in paint or open paint, which is available Wednesday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., where you come in and select your ceramic piece and sit and paint and enjoy it either by yourself or with your family and friends. So we have people that come and visit us from all across the country, whether they are visiting family and friends here in the area or in the vicinity and just looking for something fun to do and maybe learn a new skill while they're on vacation. We have a lot of great classes that are listed on our website, so it's just a great opportunity for those on vacation to maybe go home with a new skill. So we offer a lot of different services to local businesses, so companies that are maybe looking for opportunities for team building or just something fun to celebrate a milestone with some employees. We do private parties, whether it's a birthday party or just wanting to host a corporate event off-site. So we do also offer paint and sip parties and events for whether it be for adult birthdays or corporate events or team building types of activities. We are located right in the heart of Spring Hill, just off of Spring Hill Drive. We're diagonally across from Crowder Hardware in a plaza called Lincoln Center. You can find us on the web at www.thecraftasticcottage.com. Be sure to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram, and we look forward to welcoming you here at the cottage.